Anamika Ali and Muhammad Ali are two of the very few MNIC holders in the Murshidabad Jiaganj municipality in West Bengal. Although they have a unique 16-digit identification number and government data stored in this 16 KB smart card, they have no use for it.
जब हम किसी भी चीज से इस बार वोट देने के लिए भी गए थे तो मेरा वोटर आई कार्ड खो गया था, तभी मुझे इसका कोई काम में नहीं आया। तब मैं जब गई थी वोट भी नहीं दे पाई इसलिए।
Over a dozen personnel worked on the project for about 2 years but could not issue cards to all adults in the 40,000 households under their jurisdiction.
টোটাল ব্লকের পপুলেশন 2 লাখ এর বেশিও হবে। তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের কাছে বিভিন্ন পারপাসে যেভাবে আসে এবং পরিসংখ্যান নিয়ে দেখেছি নিয়ার অ্যাবাউট 5% এই প্রসেসটা কভার হয়েছে এবং তারা সেটা আইডেন্টিটি হিসেবে ব্যবহার করছে। বিভিন্ন ক্ষেত্রে তাদের আইডেন্টিফিকেশনের সুবিধা হয়, এটা আমি তাদের কাছ থেকেও কিছু কিছু বক্তব্য শুনেছি।
In the poverty-struck border villages, not many have the evidence of holding citizenship of India. The problem of infiltration along the riverine border of minority-dominated Murshidabad district is complicating the implementation of the project.
Murshidabad was selected as an experimental project to curb infiltration via porous border. This card would have provided ample evidence for security forces to initiate action against the illegal immigrants. It has the highest concentration of Muslims in any district in India. However, it's the cultural similarity between the district and Bangladesh that is the hurdle in identification.
There's the similarity, but the nationality is the same thing. They are the Bangladeshis and the Murshidabadis are the Indian people. So, in my opinion, the problem will not be solved by the introducing of the identity card.
With no infrastructure for accessing smart card data, only 45% literacy rate and 35% population below poverty line in the MJ block, even the laboratory tests are not yielding fruitful results.
The government plans to issue an MNIC to every citizen by the year 2012, but has been unsuccessful in implementing it even in its pilot districts, perhaps making the execution of this cumbersome yet ambitious project a distant dream. With camera person Sumit Sarkar, Manogya Loiwal, News X, Murshidabad, West Bengal.